Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. As you have seen from the video thumbnail, today I'm going to introduce you a cheapest smartphone in the world. Yeah, this is Haier Alpha A1, this phone is sell for only $30 in Singapore. If you buy from online, you can even use voucher to buy more cheaper. So let's see what you will get for $30. Here's the device, looks pretty nice. It's all plastic though. At this price you can't complain about the design. And then the USB cable for charging and data transfer. And a general charger. This would take an hour to full charge the phone that included 1700 mAh removable battery. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any updates from my channel. Let's activate the battery and see how it's working. It's taking a bit longer time to turn on, compared to the expensive phone. It doesn't matter though, because it's just a $30 phone. Here we go, finally it's on now. Let's setting up the phone. For the security, this phone doesn't have fingerprint and Face ID. You can use password and pattern lock on this phone for the security purpose. The phone is not so big, it's very easy to handle with one hand. It's 4.5-inch display. It's not full HD. At the front it comes with 2 megapixels camera. You won't get a quality photo from this. But who care? You can make video call, take a selfie with a $30 phone. Top side of the phone you will get headphones port and charging port. At the right side got volume buttons and power button. Rear side of the phone have a 5 megapixel single camera with LED flashlight, which is able to take decent pictures. And bottom of the back got main speakers. This phone is running with Android 8. and 1 GB RAM, 8 GB storage capacity. If you want to use heavy apps on this, you can. But, it will work very slow. This phone supports dual SIM card and micro SD card. This phone only supports 3G.